Dosan An Chang-ho, the first advocate for Korea's independence. He traveled from Korea to Japan, then to Hawaii, to Vancouver, then San Francisco until he finally ended up in Riverside. In Riverside, he and his wife started the first Koreatown, Pachapa Camp. Dosan came to the U.S. for an education, and then he did so much more.
The Chinese Exclusion Act, which became permanent in 1902, created a gap in cheap labor, which was filled in by other immigrants. A great part of these immigrants were Korean. Korean Americans faced many challenges as a minority group in the United States. These challenges included poverty, racial discrimination, and especially a lack of community. This individual saw that, and he wanted to help build a community for Korean Americans. Many people think of Los Angeles when Koreatown is mentioned, but the first Koreatown is actually located in Riverside, California. It was established by this individual in 1904 and to help unify Korean immigrants. It was called Pachapa Camp and started in the citrus field. As time passed, he helped build a positive reputation and a strong foundation for Koreans in the United States.
Did you know that one of Hollywood's first Asian American stars grew up in the very first Korean settlement in America? Well, I'm here to tell you all about Philip An. He was born in 1905 and is the son to Dosan An, who is an activist that founded Pachapa Camp in Riverside, California.
Our story here is going to take place in Riverside with a prominent figure named Dosan An Chang-ho. Dosan An Chang-ho came here from Korea. He started out in Riverside, which was known as the first Korea town. He started in the citrus industry, which was terrible because it was like a bend for yourself kind of industry, not be making good money.
History still speaks to us. It shows that resilience is also about unity, about building bridges across cultures, and leaving behind a legacy for others to grow from. That idea challenges me to think about how I carry resilience in my own life. So here is my question for you. What's one story from your own family or community that has shaped the way you see resilience? Sharing those stories keeps history alive, and together they create a fuller, more connected picture of what it means to be an American.
And all in the same spirit, my parents raised me in a community that would support my growth, who can offer me guidance. His journey reflects the resilience we saw in our families and communities growing up.